pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
Hey Gems! I'm so excited. I have my favorite box. It's the American Influence Awards Beauty Bundle bi-monthly box. It came smushed. I'm a little scared, but this is my favorite box. This is the August-September box, so this is their newest one. Okay, guys, if you're new here, thanks so much for clicking on this video. My name is Karen. I do hope that you will stay, watch the video, and think about subscribing. I love to do makeup tutorials and to teach. I love overpriced coffee, and I just absolutely love doing unboxings when I can. Yes, so we are going to dive right into this box. It is $34 I get charged bi-monthly, and it ships FedEx, so it actually comes quicker than any of the other boxes that I get. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, okay, and I didn't do any spoilers, so I don't know what is in here. All right, what is this? Perlis. Jennifer Yen. Okay, so that's gotta be the beauty influencer for this month, and there is nothing but Perlis products, I'm guessing, in here. Okay, it's filled. Give yourself a burst of energy. There's a bag in here. I really want to open it so you can see it. Oh my goodness. Really? It's gonna be that tough to open? There's gotta be a little. There we go. It's a $10 value. But I'm guessing this is like the makeup bag for your stuff. All right, so here it is here. That's cute. Okay, let's put that there. Let's put my card here. Let's see, the first thing I pull out is the Perlis Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Body Butter Lotion. It's for all skin types. It says smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes. $24. There's a safety seal. I love it when there's a safety seal. Yes. I really think toothpaste should have safety seals, and they don't. Okay, so that smells pretty good. And it says it's... Okay, wait. Is this the right one? Yep, $24. This is the lotion. And then this one here goes with it, but it is the coffee body scrub. So you would use this in the shower and then put this on afterwards. This also has a $24 value. And it also has a safety seal, but I'm curious to see how it smells. Kind of a hint of coffee. I wouldn't want to smell like it though. I love coffee, but to smell like it, I don't know. All right. Let's see. What else do we have? Bunch of Perlis products. Okay. Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk with Green Tea. It gently cleanses skin and it's soap and sulfate free. Okay. What does it say? $9.99. It smells really good. It removes makeup, tones skin, and soothes skin. Okay, that sounds good. I've never heard of a pink charcoal watermelon. I wonder if it is pink. That would be interesting. All right, so now I've got the Perlis Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. It purifies pores, brightens skins, visibly firms, and tightens, and it's for all skin types. Okay, so this is the mask. 24 bucks. An antioxidant packed peel, it says. Ooh.
Wash my hands.
Ooh, 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 ooh. It smells good. Let's see what it looks like.
Of course it smells good. I can smell it from here.
That would be Jackson. This looks like it has glitter in it. Yeah, it does. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to have glitter in this stuff. Okay. Okay, so you just peel this off and you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so next, I'm kind of shocked we got Perlis in here. I'm used to seeing,
Hello.
I don't want to say higher end stuff, but mostly. Okay, unless Perlis is a higher end. This here is a Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. $24? I'm sorry, this has got to be a sample size, right? It has to be. Let's use a different finger. Is this for your lips? Oh my god. I just put moisturizer on my lips. I thought a balm meant... Guys, it's not a balm. It's moisturizer. Well, my lips will be moisturized. Okay, last thing I see is pink charcoal and watermelon antioxidant face mist. All right. Oh my god. A balm. I automatically assumed. I mean, wouldn't you have? All right, let's see. Okay, so what do we do? Antioxidant face. It has green tea, refreshing, soothing, and hydrating. Pink clay. Removes toxins. It puts vitamin A, B6, and C to keep skin energized and hydrated. Green tea is an antioxidant that helps promote clear skin. Aloe vera is in here. Guys, if you're allergic to aloe vera, do not use this product. Okay, so, and it has a $9.99 value. All right, so I'm curious on what this box is worth. And I'm curious in your thoughts. And guys, this is a moisturizer, not a lip balm. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so let's see real quick. About $135. Okay, so you tell me, what did you think of this box? I think it's okay. I'm not huge into Perlis products. We do get them in Ipsy. We do get them in Boxy. And I do like using their brightening lotion. So I will definitely get use out of this. However, I don't know how I feel about this. And how it'll smell and the scent and everything. So be sure to ask me after I use it. I'll put a little information in the next video. Okay, so do you think it was worth it? Yes? No? Definitely comment down below. And thank you for joining me for this video. I cannot believe I put moisturizer on my lips. That's going to be like really weird. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video and hanging out with me, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, guys, I just love you and I thank you for spending some time with me. I really appreciate all of you and welcome to the newest Gem Squad members. I'm so excited to get your bracelets out. Make sure I do have your address and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide. It keeps pulling me in.